Hey friends, if you getting PC or laptop screen freezing or stuck issue, just do this method. First of all, press on your keyboard Shift plus Control plus Window plus B all together. When you pressing this key, your graphics driver are refreshed. If getting same error, follow the second method. Just drag your mouse to taskbar, right click on it, and now click on Task Manager option. And here you can check any software and apps more uses consume more CPU or more memory. Here you can see my ShareX app, more memory uses and more CPU uses. Just right click this app and click on end to task and check your screen freezing and stacking problem is solved or not. If not working this method, click on startup option, and now here you can disable all the apps you are not using like this. Here you can see my ShareX app. So this app I am not using very much. So just select the app and right click on it, and here you can see the disable option. So here you can enable option. So already I disable this option, disable this app. And after disabling all these apps, and just close this window and reboot your system and check if getting same issue or not. If getting same issue, just update your Windows, your problem is solved. I hope this video was helpful. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. And so yeah guys.